Hi, welcome to Mrs. Conrad's Algebra 2 class. I'm really excited to be teaching you this year, and I'm looking forward to building a community of learners. Let me just give you a little outline about myself. I am originally from the Caribbean, from the beautiful Isles of Trinidad and Tobago. I pursued most of my elementary and my secondary education in Trinidad. And I came to New York to pursue my Bachelor of Sciences degree in mathematics on a scholarship. And when I completed that, I returned to my country where I taught mathematics in a middle school and a high school for 9 years. Soon after that, I decided that I needed to retool, and I returned to the U.S. in 2015. To one of the best universities for teaching teachers, Texas State, where I pursued my master's in curriculum and instruction. And now I'm pursuing my master's in educational technology. So let's jump straight in. What you're seeing in front of you, there's a picture of myself. There's a little bit more about me if you want to read, seeing what courses I taught, the different schools I taught at, more of the same information that I just gave you. I'm also a mother of 3 loving boys. So let's just jump straight in. After that screen, you're going to go straight to the course dashboard. Okay, and when you go to the course dashboard, you're hoping you're going to see Algebra 2, which is the course that you're pursuing, as well as you may see a listing of many other courses that you are, pursuing this year. Okay, so if you click on Algebra 2, it's going to show you all of the folders and tabs that are pertinent to this course. So the first thing you're going to see is the Welcome to Mrs. Conrad's Algebra 2 class, which is basically highlighting some of the same things that I just told you, as well as it has kind of like a roadmap to show you basically what each of the folders are about. So the second folder that you're going to go to is the Introduction. And if you go in this folder, this is a really critical folder because it has most of the stuff and most of the information that you need for your excellence in this course. So the first folder has Algebra 2 syllabus. You really need to go through that syllabus, read it carefully. It has all of the information with reference to grading, with reference to the materials that you need, whether it be the textbook, whether it be the calculator. All of the information that you need is here. What happens when you miss an assignment? All of that information is going to be in the Algebra 2 syllabus. That's really important that you go through that and that you go through it with your parents, because in the second folder is a parent letter. So it's basically letting your parent know what to expect for this year of you with the Algebra 2 course. And in that folder, I have a link to a Google form that they have to complete, showing that they have read through it and that they've gone through the syllabus with you. The very next tab is the course objectives. So this just basically tells you what to expect, what you're hoping to achieve at the end of the year, having pursued this Algebra 2 online course. And it has a listing, if I click on it, of all the objectives. From there, if I go right back into Introduction, there is also a pacing calendar. And that pacing calendar gives you an idea of, this is going to be updated every week. So every Sunday I will update it, and by Monday morning you're going to see what is expected on a daily basis as you go through. So if you click on that tab, you're going to see what's expected as you go through the course on a daily basis. Okay, so as we come out of Introduction, you're going to go to the very next folder. So if I come out of introduction, we're going to the next folder, which is the introductory unit. The introductory unit just gives you an idea of what to expect. It's like a review unit telling you what is expected, all of the basics that you need to know moving forward and to be successful in this Algebra 2 course. So something about mathematical operations, about fractions, information that you're going to build upon as you continue with this Algebra 2 course. And it sets the basis by which you would have an idea of what is expected of all the other sections or different units. So we have basic operations, we have fractions. These are some of the videos that you will get in each and every single folder. You're going to get sometimes your notes, your journal notes. That's important also because sometimes you may be required to fill out your journal notes based on what you look at on a video, as well as sometimes I give you those notes. It has your assignments, it has examples. Your assignments and quizzes may also be located in the folder. So this is a general format of all of the folders. If I come out of the introductory unit and I go back to Algebra 2, and there's Unit 2 is what we're moving to next, and that, if I click on that, it's going to show me and show you all the different folders with each of the different sections that we will cover on a daily basis. So if I click on the first folder, it's going to tell me what I'm covering in Unit 2, Section 1. The journal notes that I mentioned previously, any assignments that are due, whether it is that I have to have a discussion based on a video that I watched, whether it is I have to go to Padlet, all of the information is here. Okay, and as I come out of here, this is how the general format is going to be for all of the different units. Okay, so I am just hyped and I'm just so excited to start this course with you. And I'm looking forward to reading about your post about yourselves. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a great night.